In 12, I was born and raised. Once hated, now praised. Cause I live, I'm all amazed. With hits, I'm just blazed. And punches from all days. Uppercuts to make waves. Knockouts to their graves. Come braver than all braves. I'm disaster. Fights don't even matter. Cause when I get on stage, they all run like Castor. I'm the master. So practice don't even matter. In this race of perfection, my speed is going faster. Beasting on tracks like Lesnar when he at work. I keep killing these verses. The scriptures a bunch of pranks. Fighting out of red corner, spitting blood on blue drums. And hate is like a melody sung by chipmunks. And who am I? Oh yes, I'm Magman. I eat him down like Ghost on Pac-Man.
Hello Africa, and tell me how you're doing today. My name is BK, the President Yama 2K. You are back by popular demand again on Sports Edition under the NAFL Network. Today we have a special guest as well. We know that we've been out of the screens for such a long time, but we are back again with the Sports Edition. As I said, that we have a special one today. EJT Pumile. So, we have to go as long as East London, we have to call him Ogogba Abelapa. Now he is the part of the show. He is part of the family. We have X Olisani Ndongeni. X.
Bro, BK.
Are you good, bro?
Sharp kanjani bro?
I'm
Ninibona kanjani manje umuntu?
Sine-scorpions. Yebo?
Yes.
So sine-scorpions. I-scorpions zethu zisixelele kwa last week that ulapha. Yebo?
Amen.
Xa saqonda, you know what, masithule man. Otherwise sakhangela. So yeah man, thank you so much for being with us today again. I think this is the third time now under the NAFL network that you are being with us, and we are so grateful, man. We are so grateful. As long as you are still alive, as long as you are still kicking, we want to have you next to us. We want to give you your flowers as much as we can, as much as we remember. Asifuni ukuthi xa sowungekho sithi kwakumele basimbizile. If you don't know, Undongeni is a former international, former IBO and former SA lightweight champion. What do I for my 1 million?
I love bro. Yes, suddenly the about to go former vele ngena kwenye ngoku. Kar.
Ngicika la wena. Zake ndikubuze man.
Abe ndinayo ngendla ngibona ngathi bendandifumana imitha benza bala bembalekanise ngazindibeke ngephela le phone yenu. Kwaze ngacinga ezifuna imali ezibras kanti again. Ngoku bona lava nje namali.
Champion, man, thank you so much, man, for coming through. We won't have much time to today, but it's a special episode that we are going to have with you. We know Ogogba Ijeti Akuphumile ulindiwe eCanada.
Canada, bro. Ayiphumanga ilapho ileVixide. Next week this day I'm fighting.
Yo.
So, this is my final preparation that I'm doing in East London. And decided once again, you know, when I'm going to a fight that I think is very serious for me, I prefer coming to East London and Chimela corner. But it's a short time because I'm a busy person in Joburg.
Sure.
And I'm doing so many things, and I have a gym now, so I can train. But if I think that the fight is very important and it's big for me, I now and then think it's best to come to East London and train and get the feel, the energy as East London is different.
If I can say, Joburg now is taking all the boxers to as East London to Joburg, to Gauteng. But why indone kusiza East London mhlawumbe ufuna ukuvuseleleka kulanto
yokuba asifani nendlela esibelieve ngathi asifani nendlela esikholelwa kuzo asifani so nje into eyi-one le. So Joburg is popping. There's boxing in Joburg. There's boxing even tomorrow. I'm going to watch. So that means I'll be in Joburg tomorrow.
You're cruise.
So what is happening is that, you know, everyone has their own way of doing things. I believe mna, East London is where I get my strength and obviously most my fitness and concentrate more when I'm training here. Because when I'm in Joburg, I'm a family man. I have my everything there, my wife, my kids, my work, my yabo. So when I'm there, I get to be, I cannot run away from most of the things that I have to do. Yabo.
Yeah.
If my daughter wants to go to wherever and play with other kids, I must be available to do so.
Sure.
So so now it can now and then take my time from my preparations or my rest time or whatsoever. So and there's a business that I'm running. One day if I'm doing this, the next thing get a call, so and so is doing A and B and Z, come and respond,
Yeah.
So I'm running away from those things and try to be Nistan. I'm a child and just go to gym, come back home, diti mama and fundeti yabo. Yeah. So so and also there's guys that are training me, helping me about the logi and then so it's really easier to be here.
Yeah.
For me.
Njengoba usithi ba East London you're a child, eJoburg ngumlungu xa ubiza kuthiwa boss. Because you have to run business. Ex-bra iphumile date njengoba sesitsho kokuba 13 November it's a date. Xa ndijonga le chapel wanayo ngumfana omncinci 22 years. Ndizamile ukuyikhangela le boy ndaqa hey strong le ntwana le 15 fights 13 knockouts.
That's a good record. I look at him yabo.
Yeah.
That if we are kumbula kahle nomeva yabo.
Sure.
I've been around yabo and I've been into so many different fights, difficult fights. If you can remember fight time no Malinga onyayazi boxing.
Yeah.
Yamazi Malinga.
Yes.
Yayazi boxing, yamazi Thompson Mokwane.
Yeah.
Unibukele nsi.
Yes, of course.
Yamazi anikaphumi ngaphandle. Yabona selapha. Yabazi obhokolo. Yeah. Yazazi fight endlule kuzo. Yabazi umzonke efana. Yabo. So imagine ke ngoku that experience. Let's anikathethi ngabantu abazi unbeaten le boy. And then ndiphume kancinci ndiye kula cala lami uyamazi uDevin Haney.
Yeah.
Yabo uDevin Haney ndamisa yonke iholo ndi. Yabo it was an unbeaten. I was an unbeaten also at the time. I think most of all
David Haney.
Fight zami zonke manje America yabo. Fight zami zonke. No brother, I got catch feelings. Yabo.
You Joke andozondilibala we bro David Haney uyaziwa sort of it's a face of boxing akho umuntu ngamaziyo
Yeah. So I went to fight Devin Haney and all of them. There's no fight that I went to America and I was disappointed in my performance. All of them was good.
Yeah.
And then there was those I lost, there's those I win. It's fine.
Sure.
And then it was an unbeaten. I wanted that's Devin Haney. We are talking about Devin Haney. This boy is an unknown boy that I don't even know what is his name.
Yeah.
No one knows him. Yeah. Or Orobio, something is fine. And then I went from Devin Haney's to I've been fighting unbeaten all over in America.
Jeez.
I went to Nicaragua. I fought another boy, Ernesto Mercado. He was unbeaten with knockouts. I was the first fighter not to be knocked out by him, and I was flat-footed, I was tired and everything. I went to Las Vegas. I fought Arnold Barboza, unbeaten in something fights, 29 fights. I went to New Mexico. I fought Ray Muratala.
Yeah.
Those are boxers. I'm not talking about this boy is nothing to me. I went to Puerto Rico. I fought the unbeaten champion for WBA. Yeah, I came back with the WBA. I went to Turkey. I fought this boy that was good. Okay, he's there almost the same level.
Yeah.
But I think he's better than that what I'm going to see in Canada. So I'm not taking anything away from him. But you know what? Where when I meet him, it's not gonna be like I'm gonna be surprised by anything. I've been to worse things than he is. So I fought unbeatens that are big, unbeatens that are good, unbeatens that are strong,
Yeah.
more than him. So he cannot bring anything that I'm not aware of.
X, you are regarded now as the veteran of boxing, because you, as you are saying now, you are a journeyman, man. You are not. You are a journeyman, bro.
I've been around.
You've been around.
I've been around.
Not only in South Africa, but around the world.
Yeah,
That transformation to fight with the young boy, because this is the young boy with 22 years old, 15 fights, and compared to yours that you are over 30 fights.
40 fights.
You know?
I'm 40.
40. And this guy, how do you prepare yourself for, you know what? Ngoku ndilwa nentwana, not solo. If besothetha esiXhoseni besothi usanuka inkotha, usenenkotha ezindlebeni, you know, say light.
Yeah.
But we know sometimes you can say ngumntana, but
in boxing, yeah.
in boxing, you know,
yeah.
you can come with the surprises eringini. How do you prepare yourself, uzolwa nomntu that you know kokuba, as much as he's good, but in terms of the experience and ixesha lakhe eringini, it's not the same as mine.
Remember, this boy that we are talking about now is me 15 years ago when I fought Nzimande for the SA title East London, Emanzini.
Yeah.
You know, I was 22.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's me when I fought Mogwan.
Just-
Ape into, not good.
Yeah.
Well, it's me when I fought Temba Shiqila. It's me when I fought Umzonke Fana. It's me when I fought Patrick Malinga. It's me when I fought who's that guy that I fought Ape Orient? Otitise and
Yeah.
So I understand what's going through that boy's mind.
Yeah, the hunger.
He's an unbeaten. He does not regard anyone. He does not see anyone that can beat him. Yeah, but that's me then at the time. But for me, I know for sure that I'm gonna have to put in some work as double as I used to for me to win this fight. And I'm going to Canada. There's no one that is coming back in Canada, you know. So I have to do something special. Yeah, well. So I'm taking a fight with the understanding, Yagutim. This boy is going to be with a lot of energy. He's also a very good boxer. I saw that.
Yeah.
But you cannot buy experience.
You cannot.
You know what? I have got experience for days. You know, yeah, for years. So there's no question that I cannot answer.
Yes.
Inside the ring with whoever. Yeah, well.
Sure.
So I am going there to see, not to see, knowingly that I'm going to answer his questions and then question him. Does he know what he's coming into? Yeah, well. If he does not know, then I'm gonna some sheer pants. But if he has, then we're gonna have a fight. But what I know is that if I go on points, I'm not gonna win in Canada.
Yes.
Yeah, well, that's a showcase, and that's boxing. And sometimes we tend to
That's boxing.
we tend to not understand that the fight is not made for me. The fight is made for the boy. Yeah, well, so for me to win the fight, I have to do something special. If I can't do something special, I'm not winning that fight. That fight is for that boy.
Yeah.
You know, and there's nothing wrong with that. Everyone promotes their boxers. They are promoting their boxer.
Yeah.
Just like what we do in East London.
Yeah.
If a boxer comes from
Philippines.
Tanzania, Zimbabwe, we're gonna make him lose regardless.
Ish.
Unless, of course, they show up and do something different. Yeah, well. So that's boxing. It's business.
X,
You know.
you are bringing another thing now. Now you know that the fight is not made for you,
It is not.
even though you are going there to fight with him, but you know it plays in your mind. But how do you prepare yourself knowing that I know I'm going to on a foreign land, and I know that in order to win, I have to be clinical. In order to win, I have to perform the best. Like this is like your last fight in this world. How do you prepare yourself to such fight, as because you're longer and you've been there?
Firstly, you need to understand such, because if you don't understand, you're gonna be in danger of getting surprised every time you see these things.
Sure.
So when I'm going outside the country, I know for a fact that I am the opponent. I am not supposed to win. I am not expected to win.
Yeah.
So what I need to do is to make sure I bring my A game. And also, if I am we are yes, to acknowledge the fact that you are not supposed to win. And then ungabi namsindo kulonto ungabi phayana so unengqondo yoba yabo this uyazi ba this is not for me, but I can turn it. Yabo, the thing is that if I'm not gonna be true to myself, it's a 50-50. It's not a 50-50.
It's not.
Yabo, it can never be. It's not supposed to be. Yabo, this is business.
Sure.
So I can make it to be a 50-50. Like I went to Puerto Rico, and then I went to a fight similar to this. The boy was defending his title. I just outboxed him. Everyone could see that there's no way he can win, And even it was a split decision, and the split was surprising. I was like, split they're giving him.
But I have to accept.
But they gave me. I was so shocked about winning, because I knew, but if he's finishing rounds, he's gonna win. It's his home ground. But it was too clear for them to see, but he's not gonna win. He can't win. But then I was lucky. I'm not even saying, but that win, I was just gonna get it because I won. I felt like I'm winning the fight. I could feel. When you're fighting, as you win. There are fights that I know, like Remo Ratala. I knew I won the fight, but I did not get the results. So there are those things. Like when I was fighting Arnold Barboza in Las Vegas, I was like, okay, sharp, I can beat this boy. I fought the first 5 rounds. I was tired.
Yeah. And
I'm like, if I went all out in round 6, I was like, if I can't knock him out, let me just stop, because he's gonna knock me out. Even if we finish rounds, I'm not going to win. Then I just retired from my corner. Guys, I'm not coming back. You need to understand these things. So, you need to know at some point. At some point, you need to know, but what is it for me here? Is it necessary for me to? Or if you are taking a fight that is outside the country, mostly overseas, you must be sure, but you're gonna prepare for it. You can win. You are obviously understanding everything around it.
Yeah.
When I fought Devin Haney, there were so many things that people don't understand that went through before the fight with Devin Haney. Devin Haney, I was so sure he cannot beat me. I still believe that even today, he's not experienced more than me. But when we're looking at what is happening outside, he's way better than me.
Yeah. What is the best plan for you coming outside to another country? That you know that I'm going to maintain this fight. I'm going to push this guy, because when you've been through kuzo zonke la mazwe, but what is that secret that you can even tell the other boxers, or to figure to other territory, this you must use to fight and keep the fight going?
Mostly something that will help you. It does go on because they have time, they have trainers that understand how is it to go to America, how is it to go to Argentina, how is it to go to wherever, mostly those countries. So one of the things that what we all have to know is that if you are going to a country, whichever one it is, if it's outside, you must be there at least 2 weeks before the fight.
Okay,
so you can acclimatize. If not, just 48 hours.
Okay. Just
before they weigh in and then fight. Before you start catching everything, you are gone. You are on your way out. Yeah. So it's very difficult again. And you are not booking for yourself most of the times. They book for you. So everything that can help us as boxers to be prepared, to get there and have less stress and problems needs money, and money is what we don't have. And people with money, they're not helping us. They want to buy us some more protein. If I can go to Lendongo Azur, they will call me, they will give me a house of spades.
But Klaus,
Bandithi kusekadinike le mali uzaninika ngithekela ka space ndihambe yathi hayi makancinci le.
You know, we've been frustrated luhlobo iboxers zethu ezifike ezilwe ngalo outside South Africa. But as we said, okokuba wena you are a journeyman, this guy you don't know, as we say, okokuba asmazi nathi, he's still new with boxing. But we have that thing, okokuba, do we have to adjust nge-style alwa ngaso, or are you going with your style xa usilwa eringini? Because we've seen our boxers, okokuba, we know okokuba this guy is aggressive, but xa ifika or kanti ungayazi okokuba mhlawumbe si-stage fright, and then you are on ropes, you are not aggressive as much as we know you. Wena, how do you keep yourself okokuba, you know what, I'm going with my style regardless okokuba lo mjita uzanika ntoni napha?
Sikhona i-stage fright, but kubantu abangazange mna ke my other thing is that apart from going to America and all the other countries to fight, I stayed in America for a year.
Yeah, fundini.
So yabo
bekwalungu uthi
I know you American.
Yeah.
I've seen them.
Sure.
Yabo, every day. Yabo, and then I went to watch fights and events and stuff. I know the big crowds. I've been into a space where I've seen a lot of people and so I know tools. And imagine you've been fighting in Orient Theatre for the rest of your career. The next thing, they take you deep into
Mexico,
Las Vegas or Mexicans are the most people that supports boxing or fighting. They like fighting those people. So imagine you're going to Mexico. Just be sure that it's going to be a full house and be packed. And they're all supporting the Mexican. Yeah. So you're going there, you are alone, and you're there for the first time. You're out of Orient for the first time. There's gonna be something happening in your mind. It's gonna be a change. It's gonna be a beat. It's not easy. You cannot just be yourself. Then if the preparations get now is not 100%, because mentally also a boxer needs to be fit. So if you are not there mentally, you're gonna see yourself getting into traps that we're not ready for. And also, it's not easy not to, for us boxers, but most of the boxers that are going to America, if you're checking, they are going to America from Joburg.
Yeah, exactly.
Not from East London.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Then, tell you what, if you are from East London, you go to Joburg. A bit of your boxing is going to change.
Yeah.
Regardless.
Hey.
Because our trainers in Joburg, they have their own way of seeing the boxing. They can like you here in East London doing your boxing, but when you get there, they're gonna change something. And it's unfortunate because you have nothing to say. You cannot say anything. You only see that after maybe 3, 4, 5 fights. Why? Hey. This is not me. But it's something for another day. But
so it's like.
And then we are going to another country now to fight. You just started this small change that you are now taught to do, that you're not used to. And then you're going to another country, you get the stage fright, you are still confused yourself, but this is how I'm going to deal with it. You are first time seeing this change in you in a fight. And obviously there's going to be a lot of things happening in you. You can never be clinical and be yourself. It happens even if you are here. Even if you are here in East London, usuka emdantsane uyojima eziphunzana xa ungene Orient, abantu bamanqembu bazakubona ba there is something. So if you are overseas, imagine it's even worse. Ngapha something that is happening apha wami nabelungu abangazi nesixhosa wena wazi nesilungu
Hey.
and ibox ezinitha siyazi isilungu bafethu sanocima fana kuyadlala bafike ekoneni ukhoshi uyathetha uva laba kuthiwani uve kuthiwa jeb qha enye nenye awuyazi ngapha ujokelele yabo aba bangabe bathetha ilanguage yabo ngapha Spanish sabo kanye isinto yabo so awuyane bakwenzeka ntoni phela uzibukela ringels qha qonde hayi joke abantwana because awuva lo hamba naye awuva aba bangava thank asikubona ba injani fight
Talk about no way. Yes, but you notice it no way. But sometimes we don't associate it on public platform. But you notice it no way. But xa unamangamla kunzima bra. Because eringini in fact ekoneni ndiyabeva besithi go Xoltsani go nomeva. But you know most of the cars.
yabo
Yeah,
for example
yeah.
awufike ekoneni lapho ekasi
Yeah.
awufike ekoneni afike ukosha ke boy yabona ngo besongo lethile uyayiva
Yeah.
boy kwenzeka lena le 17 jonga 18 sikwenza amasimo bakwenza amasimo
Exactly.
umlungu uzafike phayana mfethu akuqalele ba you have kids you have abele babinet
Thomas Buye.
motivate akuthi uba ubethwa kantoni awuzibonela phambili but ke right ke andithi
It is what it is.
yabo because
It
at the
is
end of
what
the
it
day it's different for different people it's fine
WBC Continental. Lona le boy.
yo amabhandi ayandithanda mebra yabona nelaki because indiba ngabethwa ngapha ndifumana elinye bethwa ngapha ndifumana elinye bethwa ngapha ndifumana elinye ekunini bandlela amabhandi andiwahoyanga futhi neli ngalithatha qolishiye pha
No, we need this one because the light incinci man, and we cannot accept okokuba le WBC as much as by it's a continental
Sayibetha le
belt,
man.
but we have to bring it in.
Sayibetha le.
Sivale ngayo kulo 2025.
Angizayibetha le akuvele uThixo akwenzeli man izinto ezinjena nje for nothing so Abraham yabona thatha ibhandi ePuerto Rico banganiki yangayazi bazafika nini kwavele kwahlaleka hayi kwanyanze manje defend elibhandi alibona nali khanda angalithathi ke ngoku selikhona ke ngoku
But zange lafika kuwe.
angifike ku but yabo exalayo ndiluzile ke yabo
Yeah.
because ndilwele ndaluza okay sharp nalo kalifika ngakomo yabo ngoku ndaqonda okay andiyeke lamabhandi ukuthi grade WBC elahlileyo ndijini Komanda baqala iboxing bayigqiba bengawalwila amabhandi so mna bra I'm fortunate and I'm lucky to I don't want to lie and yes maybe it's corner I've never seen a luckiest boxer like me maybe it's corner but then people corner because number none being lucky sometimes yamunimali nabo chafu no Mandino no khusebalela iWBC so I'm sure sinemali ezondwanezo
Yo,
Yes.
sithetha nge-WBC eyakho yi-continental.
yeah.
Besiphuma kukakhuse ngoku. World.
gold
I-gold. Le andakekho umuntu lapha e-Eastern Cape okwayifumana. Besinethemba lokuba this is the time. But coming back to this one, le yakho ithetha ukuthini le nto kunomeva? This WBC Continental. If
Good if it when. So you know how to if. There's a go if.
look,
What I'll tell you.
I'm not reacting. But
Land is better
Nah, it's WBC.
Tani yabo plan nchilo bakwena thi. Thina siyahamba yabo.
yeah,
Siya America. Fika America. 100% abantu base-America basupport American.
they believe to with their boy.
eMzansi 50% or 60% support American 40 support wena uyabo bethwa ngabantu bangapi
Ininzi kwalo 40%.
Yebo.
Mhlawumbe i-10% SA.
support
Support
wena
wena.
ayibonye bonke basupporta la muntu wasami lo lwa naye
Lo naye.
qonde baye hayi sizawina nzima thina
But the way is lithetha ukuthini elibhandi ku la le WBC as well.
No, for me, yabo, it's another way of, because you know what, bruh, I'm almost on my way out, yabo. But as much as indeed opportunities are rising, yabo.
Yafika.
And then man said, "Hi man, so in the boxing, yabo." But then, yabo, if it means that if that's the way that God wants me to, because I'm still fresh, yabo. I look like
you are still fresh.
Yeah, I'm still fresh, bruh.
You are still young.
And then I'm thinking, well, as I give it another 2 years, born, but I'm tired also.
Okay.
I've been training hard for years, so it's a bit, it's a lot. I need to take my time off. So, and there's other boys that are coming up, but fresh and I want to see them, So, this for me, it means I'm gonna get another chance to be rated highly, and obviously opportunity to fight for a WBC world again. Not again because I've never fought for it, but for at least for a world title again. Because I'm a former 2 times world champion,
Exactly.
And I think I deserve to fight for one of the great 4 titles, big 4. Because I never fought for. I fought for the last 2
before,
and those 2 I won again.
Yeah.
They are more like South African titles. So, I think it's gonna take me one step closer to get another chance to fight for top 4 title. If I fight for WBC, maybe njengoba ndizake yaba kwa WBC, maybe lindele. I want ndingaze ndithina ndingagezi manje ndingashaya le podcast. No. Kodwa ndifunane ndim ndingathandi kangaka. Ngade. Ndingagezi yo. Ndingabe ndikhaba.
And you know what? It will be something special when you get this WBC world champion, because now, as you are saying, Gokuba, you are on the exit with career yakho boxing. And nansi ngokwithuba, because when you win this WBC Continental, as you are saying, Gokuba, you will be rated on top. Uzawunyuka kwi-rankings zakho. You know, and 2026 now kuthiwa nansi WBC. Then ke ngokuthi wena it's fine yiyo, then mhlawumbe ndiyayi-catching yami.
Andinoba sayeke sendibambile ngeke kaloku ndihamba
defender kabili kathathu.
Kwakungaba kuthiwa mandilwe WBC ngatsho ngingahlala ejim, ngalala ejimini. Ngathi uyandiyavusa ndithi zibe ngaphi coach, cimba kuthiwa mandiskip okanye kuthiwa mandibethe ibhek. Andinoba kwasabuza noba sahlala kwasendlini. Thandole WBC. But ngayiwina, qoba win. Hayi kodwa ngingageza. Kunini manje kodwa mandiyeke iboxing,
Kudala kusiyo. Kudala.
Cha ingxaki iwana, abantu bathi mandiyeke iboxing abasho ba mandiyeke ndithini.
Exactly.
It's the problem with fans zethu. Umuntu uthi nomeva makayeke, nomeva suka ndibone bethenye fighter strong, what nomeva nihamba nomoya nini uba uke ndawina nomeva nona yami yazi sidala ndiyibona beza my champion ndibethe kwakufana kudala
sathiyeka le way
suka ndinqamile
excellent
boxing fans.
Man, we're wishing you all the best, bro. Kule fight yakho nalomjita Oribio Canada. We know that you are going to make us proud. We are wishing you all the best. We know umsebenzi wakho uyazithethela, your hard work, your dedication. Ungumuntu ongazange wayidelela le boxing because you know kokuba ikuthathephi yakho ikususephi yakubekaphi. So 13 Thursday, 14 apha eMzansi, Friday.
Yeah.
So sijonge yonke le way le fight yakho, knowing that you will bring back this WBC, and also you are going to console us even kwale disappointment esiyifumeneyo ngapha kwi-Thriller in Manila. But before we let you go, exactly. As much as this is Continental, but it's still WBC, under WBC. Before we let you go, we cannot let you go singathethanga ngoKhuse. Just your opinion. I know Kokbabandu, they are saying a lot of things. Kus is supposed to win this fight. Jerusalem was not challenging Ukuse. But your overall views about Ukuse and Jerusalem, Kula WBC?
Ako go for me, bra. I'm not go for because just
your views, your opinions.
Okay, me bra, moshanga xesha bo.
Yeah.
Fight kakusibintle kakhulu yabo. Like every as you can see, everyone is proud of Kuse's performance and everything.
Dope.
Yabo. Me also, I'm proud of Kuse's performance, and don't want to lie. It happens when you were expected to be. I'm gonna put it the way it is. If people they did not see you coming, when they see you here, yabo, by your two, and then but wow, yabo. So I think many people were expecting my fan Kuse is gonna get there and be knocked out. Yabo, abuye ebeleki njengezi njengoba nihleli niqhela ukuthi uzabuye ebeleki. So abantu bebekthi fan Kuse uzafika bethu, yabo. Feel Kuse perform all the way up to the The problem with izinto ezinjeyana, the minute you perform over the expertise abantu, you are already a winner in so many people's eyes.
Yeah.
Forgetting by fight le ibinjani. Forgetting by what was happening in the fight. So remember, he was fighting a champion that also was fighting. But because most people expected him to be knocked out and come back early. Wow, figure wow, supposed to and then the next thing is that everyone is proud and happy. But now we think because of the performance that was good and being there until the last round means that he's a winner. He did not win. He fought well.
Yeah.
He did good. Yes, but say Orient beza win. But of course Orient say Mexico and
yeah.
So let's just understand, but it is what it is. But then performile and then he maybe deserve another chance if yenzeka lona le aphinda zibonakalise yabo and then maybe zabe nasefunde ezinye izinto yabo ngabe naseyibona ezinye izinto that bezenzeke fighting, which is good. So I also think he performed. I don't want to lie about winning. I'm not saying he was supposed to win. If bewinile benza ucelebrate.
Okay.
Xa ingawinanga nje sorry.
Yeah.
That's it,
man.
Yeah.
Champion, wishing you all the best, man.
Thank you, ndiyabonga.
Thank you so much. Is it league? Yan? But ke umuntu wakabhaca soza ngayithandi because kwela cala lethu eyona nto sinayo ibhola. Yeah, manqindi sizodibana apha eMonti. Exactly, zonke ezoyidibana nami ndenza irugby apha because ndibe nayo apha, you know. Prediction is a league.
Kuzingaphi league kaloku eyiphi league?
IPSL.
Kaloku khona ileague yase South Arabia.
Yeah.
Khona league yase English.
So thetha.
Khona league PSL. Unibuza kuba ndiyazi ba di Kaizer Chiefs niyazi ba di Kaizer Chiefs kanye.
Nani course.
I sometimes obvious here.
Yafika kwisamizi.
Yeah, sometimes obvious.
Okay. Khosi?
Yabo. Ayikhosi lona team yethu yabo. Ulala ivuke. So anything is possible. Singaphuma na ngomso. Andisiyadlala ngomso. Singazibambela idraw yethu. Siqoba sobetho.
It's a calling, yeah.
Yeah, singazibambela idraw sobetho ngapha lento Egypt. Ay, Chiefs ndiyayazi. Kuleague ne?
Yeah.
League le yethu.
But it's not
between.
Yeah.
Isemnandi yazi. Isemnandi. Chiefs iPirates in one game in hand.
In a two. Yes.
Kaloku iSundowns na 12, Chiefs na 11, iPirates na 9.
Yeah.
Kanye 10.
Na 10 Pirates. Yeah, 10.
So in 2 games
Yeah, 2
games in hand with Sundown, not Kuliswa.
Yeah, with Sundowns.
Yeah, but 2 games that don't mean it's 6 points.
Yeah, that's not guaranteed.
So asinokwazi basithela ikhathi sengcoweni. So and then ke ngoku uyabona lamajita la ombothuma baze kabi ba strong.
Yeah.
The Chiefs ngaphi no China no Chabalala no Vilakazi.
Do or die.
Yeah. Hey, uda.
Akafuni.
Andifuni joy. iSundowns kodwa izithatha league this year.
Yo.
Izithatha league.
Don't eat namhlanje 7. Okay, sure.
Ayizithatha league iSundowns this year. Andiyazi.
Between Pirates the Chiefs
Ngathi thatha nazo isikhukhuni league.
So
Siyehla nyani.
sesiphumile isikhukhuni.
But iSundowns azithatha kule game. Ayikhalingi iPirates. Nedbank yethu lo.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Go. I Chiefs are going something. Hey, Chiefs are something. Yo. Got Sundowns. Aba bethu bafama bahamba, aba bangathi naphi?
Interpreters.
Abafama bahambe ya. Abacoach abaya anibathani ngesizathu ntoni. Not ndize nawo apha. Ogqiba xa ndihamba usheke wena. Yathi bunyoka obo. Bafama bahambe naye la coach. Sale singena coach.
Mashiyeke kodwa goalkeeper coach.
Akangendawo yena mbona nawe uyabona nawe bethela amaguma. Uright ke lo. Ezi2 fama zihambe nonaphi. Otsokotsaba ya. Abakhonde bayenzayo. Bayikhonde bayenzayo yabo. That means ngunaphi because yonke into abayenza apha bona. Ayiboniswa ngunaphi. So ngoku xa sigcothe unaphi sahlala namantshontsho kanaphi kuyafanga ngathi siseno naphi.
Usekhona exactly nyani.
So ngoku akusuke yonke lana bayointerpreta kude ngoku eTanzania kufaka omnye ucoach apha. Otherwise andibafuni akaplamba iPirates nelucky because yo inelucky because ifika iPirates ivuthe kamnandi yo inelucky la plamba ibisigcothe kwisikhukhune Amarokalaze mathi uyayigqiba ne 2 months ibambe iPirates iwin icup. Ika seku right.
Expert wasivana man. Thank you so much man. Sikhulule man. Abantu base Mount Frere, abantu base Imonti, abantu base Joburg, abantu base South Africa man. We are wishing uXolisani Ndongeni all the best. Uyalwa ke nge-13 or nge-14 apha eMzantsi Afrika on Friday. WBC Continental. Abantu bakwaBhaca man bathandaze man. Kuzo zonke
bathandaze yonke.
Nithandaze, nithakathe yonke Mount Frere bafethu.
Thakatha mina yeke le thakatha.
Champion wasikhulule man, all the best for it. It's always nice to have you man.
Thank you.
I will never forget you when u9mm wayihlelwa sesasehlo sase Ireland. I will never forget your post on Facebook saying ukuba lento buyithetha ukuba iboxers azithandwa okanye iboxers ase South Africa were always wishing them not the best. Asoze ndilibale la post yakho bra. Andizuxelela uba yasithini but I will always respect you for that post and the respect that you gave u9mm while he was on a bad state. But for that, I will always give you my respect, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you, brother. 20 minutes. Ngandike ndihambe.
Ngeke.
Nika ndolala. Sikubile ngo.
Asikubile man.
Siphumile.
Asiphumile.
Hayi. Ngakazi again.